Hey guys, it's that Dividend guy coming at you with another Robinhood portfolio update. Today we're going to look at the overall portfolio, the individual holdings, the watch list, and the growth stocks that I'm interested in. Let's dive in right away. So today we're down about 250 bucks, not a huge deal. I know there's fluctuation in the market. Uh, for the week we're down 368. For the month we're down we're up 207. 3 month mark we are down 369. 639, sorry. And then for the 1 year, we're up $2,000, and all time, we're up 1,500. So we're not doing too bad. I did do an options call, which I did the wrong way, so I'm going to lose like 300 bucks on it, and I'm going to have to sell 100 Ultra shares and just buy them back, so I'll be down by like 10 shares. I'll still be dividend deficient, so I'm not super worried about it, but not playing with options anymore. So we're on to the individual stocks. First one being one of my personal favorites in my top five, Realty Income. We have 15 shares, $960 of market value. Average cost is $45.38. 4.38% of the portfolio is in Realty Income, up $10.50 today, up $282.90 or almost 42% on Realty Income. We do have a dividend coming in on September 15th of $3.50. That is a monthly dividend, so I get paid over $35 a year by Realty Income. So they are one of my favorites. I love the way that they structure their business, and I'm super bullish. If I had if I had cash, if I had excess money, I'd be putting $1,000 towards either Coca-Cola, AT&T, or Aflac. But any extra cash, if I put like 1,100 or 1,150 or 1,165, whatever, I'd put that extra cash into Realty Income because it is one of my favorites. Then we have Altria Group. We have 148 shares, $6,400 of market value. Average cost is $43.84. About 29% of the portfolio is in Altria Group. Down $54 today, down about 8.5%. Total, we're down $66.70, down a little over a percent there. Then Coca-Cola, another king, one of my personal favorites. We have 20 shares, a little over $1,000 of market value. Average cost is $51.26. So we're close to break even. About 4.6% of the portfolio is in Coca-Cola. Today we're down 14.20. Total, we're down 15.70, down about 1.5% on Coca-Cola. Then we have FRT at 82 today. We have one share at 82.35 as our market value. Average cost is 113.40. 0.37% of the portfolio is in FRT. Today we are up $1.05, up about 1.3%. Total, we're down 31.05, down almost 28% on FRT, which is a great REIT. It's the only dividend king in the sector, and they are very good at what they do, and it's a great cost on average opportunity. So if I had extra cash, I would be buying more shares. Then we have Lowe's, a dividend king that dropped massively today. Not enough for me to buy it though. We have two shares. Market value is $323. Average cost is $100.86. 1.4% of the portfolio is in Lowe's. Today we're down about $18. Total, we're up $121.32, up 60% on Lowe's. And as I said, it is down big today, but not big enough. My average cost is nearly $60 below the asking price right now for Lowe's, so I'm not touching it for a while. Then we have my goal stock for the set of months. My down darling, AT&T. 71 shares, $2,100 of market value. 30.93 is my average cost, so below my average cost here. Love the company. About 9.6% of the portfolio is in AT&T. Down 7.10 today, down 94.17. This is one of those that I'm very happy is down because it was up so far for nearly like half a year last year, and I wanted to buy more, but I couldn't because I didn't want my cost basis to rise $8 a share. Now, I'm unable to buy more shares, and it's kind of irritating, but it's a great opportunity for other investors who see the potential and the growth that AT&T offers. So next, we have AbbVie, just like Lowe's. We have 60 shares, almost $5,500 of market value. Average cost is $72.22. About 25% of the portfolio is in AbbVie. 146 we're down today, 2.6%. Total, we're up 1,100. Up 26.71%. And just like with Lowe's, I bought AbbVie when they when they announced an acquisition, and they went down significantly, and they've taken off since. I don't know what the PE of AbbVie is. It's 19, so it's lower than the overall market. But I bought it at such a great price that I don't want to touch it for a while. So AbbVie's dividends are going into AT&T. Next, we have J&J starting off 36912 strong with a dividend king. We have 2 shares, about $300 of market value. Average cost is $135.79. 1.36% of the portfolio is in J&J. Today we are up 856. Total we're up 2752, up 10%, and a little dividend coming in from J&J at 202. Then another king with 3M. We have 2 shares. Market value is 332.62. Average cost is 147.28. 1.51% of the portfolio is in 3M. Today we're down 640. Total we're up 38.07, up about 13%, and a dividend of about $3 coming in from 3M. Then Target, another similar story to AbbVie and to Lowe's. They took off right after I bought them, not at, well, pretty significantly. We have 10 shares, $1,400 of market value. Average cost is $87.68. 6.65% of the portfolio is in Target. Today we're down $38. Total we're up $583, up 66.5% on Target. And a nice dividend of $6.80 coming in. I love Target. I just wish that they weren't so high. I am up significantly. I bought at 87, so up about $70 a share on, or up over $70 a share, which is insane for Target there. Next, we have Walgreens. They're close to king status. I have 6 shares, 222.30 our market value, about $40 of is our average cost. 1.01% of the portfolio is in Walgreens, down 72 cents today, down 17.19, down 7.18%. A great cost down average opportunity here on Walgreens. And a dividend coming in of $2.81. Then we have ExxonMobil at $39.11. Great purchasing price here. We have 84 shares, market value of $3,200. Average cost is $53.20. About 15% of the portfolio is in ExxonMobil. Down $672 today, down $1,100, almost $1,200, down about 27 or 26.5% on ExxonMobil. And they have a nice dividend coming in of $73.08. There are big payers for this set of months. Then we have my goal stock for this set of months being Aflac. We have 1 share, $36.94 is our market value. Average cost is $35.75, so I'm up a little bit on Aflac. 1.7%, or sorry, 0.17% of the portfolio is in Aflac. That will be going up. They're one of my goal stocks. So when I transfer my 1,000 over, once I'm back to work and getting back into the swing of things at the start of 2021, they are my goal stock, which means that every X dividend, I will be buying Aflac. That's my goal. So Coca-Cola, AT&T, and Aflac are going to be my goal stocks that I pour the $1,000 into, and any excess money that I have, whether it be $100, $200, whatever, will either go into O or another company that's significantly undervalued from my average cost. So right now, Walgreens and ExxonMobil would be a wonderful place to put that extra cash. Next, we're looking at the watch list, which, as you can tell, when I swipe, it doesn't go down. Robinhood just started this new thing today called lists. So I went through. What they originally did was they had your entire portfolio being your actual holdings plus your watch list in the same list, which is irritating. I miss the way that it was before. They just did the update today, and I released a video on it yesterday. But now I fixed it. So for the watch list, I'm going to go through and say whether or not they're buys. At $27, at nearly $41, definitely a buy here for store. Cisco at $60, the 52-week high is $85, so $25 of upside, buying it there. Genuine Parts at $96, I'm not touching it. Pepsi at $139, $4 off of its high, not touching it. Kimberly-Clark at $152, $4 off its high, not touching it. Colgate at $77, $3 away from the high, not touching it. Starbucks at $86, about $10 of upside, not quite enough. I'd need it to go down to like $82, but very close, but I won't touch it at this price. Procter & Gamble at $138, I'm not touching it, like $3 off the high. Clorox at $216, enough for me to buy it, so I would be buying Clorox, would be buying SX Property Group. McDonald's at $214, not enough upside. Black Hills, my utility play at $56, $30 of upside, definitely buying it. For my growth stocks at $28 for Warner, I'll buy it, I have a decent upside there. Berkshire at $218, I have decent upside, I would buy it. Disney at $233, about $20 of upside, buying it there. And Microsoft at $217, not enough upside, but very close. Costco at $248, almost $20 of upside, definitely buying Costco there. So guys, that wraps up the portfolio. Sorry, it's going to be a little different from here on out because they don't have it. They don't have the list listed out. Oh, there we go. Sorry, it's a new feature. So now it's back to how it was before. I just need to fix, which one was it? One of them was weird. Oh, Clorox was in the right spot. Why did I feel like that was wrong? Whoops. Anyways, guys, that will wrap up the portfolio update for today. Remember to hit the subscribe button on my YouTube channel, and when you do, hit the bell notification so you guys don't miss any new uploads. I've been doing portfolio updates every day. I did like 4 or 5 stock market news updates today, and I sprinkle them out through today, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So I'm trying to get a lot of content out there. If there's something you guys want me to cover, leave it down in the comments. I will add it. I'm just trying to do more. I have a lot of free time on my hands due to the injury, so I'm trying to fill my time and do something productive. So I'll be posting a lot of YouTube videos. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next Robinhood portfolio update. Take care, guys.